The next problem is which uses more energy, 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. So this is the question. Given data, so here we have two electrical appliances. One is TV set and another one we have a toaster. So TV set is having the power which is 250 watt and which is used in 1 hour. That is, time is 1 hour. And we have toaster which is having the power 1200 watt used for 10 minutes. So we have to calculate which electrical appliance uses more energy. That is, E equal to question mark. In between these two electrical appliances, which electrical appliance uses more energy? We know that E is equal to P into T. This is the formula to calculate the electrical energy consumed by the electrical appliance. This is equal to E is equal to P value 250 watt. So here the value for the power, it is in watt. Convert into kilowatt, because always we need to calculate the energy consumed in kilowatt hour. So convert this one watt into kilowatt. It's 250 divided by 1000, right? Now in the denominator we have 3 zeros. So in order to remove these 3 zeros, I have to put the point in the numerator after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, which is equal to 0.25 kilowatt. Okay, so it is 0.25 watt into time is how much? Time is 1 hour. Therefore E is equal to 0.25 kilowatt hour. So the energy consumed by the TV set is 0.25 kilowatt hour. Similarly, for the toaster, E is equal to P into T. Here the power value, it is in watt. Convert into kilowatt. This is equal to 1200 divided by 1000. This is equal to, so same procedure we have to follow this one. So in the denominator we have 3 zeros. So in order to remove these 3 zeros, I have to use the point in the numerator after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So it is 1.2 kilowatt. Okay, and similarly here you look at here time it is given in minutes. So convert into hours. This is equal to 10 divided by 60. 0, 0, both are get cancels together. It is equal to 1 by 6 hours. So here power is 1.2 kilowatt, hours 1 by 6 hours, right? This is equal to, now just divide these two numbers. So here I will take, this will be 6 ones are 6. It is as it is a point, I have to take one point here. So it will be 6 2s are 12. So it is 0.2 kilowatt hour. So energy consumption for the toaster is 0.2 kilowatt hour. So you look at here, TV set consumes 0.25 kilowatt hour, whereas toaster consumes the 0.2 kilowatt hour. So here they are asking the question, which uses more energy? Here obviously the TV set uses more energy. Therefore TV set uses more energy. So hence we have solved the problem. The next problem is, two lamps are rated 100 watt at 220 volt and the other 60 watt at 220 volt are connected in parallel to electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if the voltage is 220 volt? So this is the question. Solution: given data. So in the question we have two lamps. One is rated at 100 watt. So what I will do, that I will take P1. I will take P1 for the first lamp, which is having the power 100 watt and the voltage is 220 volt, right? Now the other lamp, which is having power 60 watt and voltage is 220 volt, right, are connected in parallel. These two lamps are connected in parallel to the electric supply. We have to calculate the what current is drawn from the electric supply. So I1 is equal to question mark and here I2 is equal to question mark, right? Now we know that power is equal to V into I. Therefore I is equal to P divided by V, right? I have just taken this one towards LHS side. This is equal to power, it is 100 watt, voltage it is 220 volt. 0 0 both are get cancels together. Now we have 10 divided by 22. So just divide this side, 10 divided by, that is 22. So as the 10 is a smaller number than 22, so what I will do, I will take 1 0 here. Okay, now 22, how much the 100? 22 4 the, it is 88. Now subtract this one. 10 minus 8, it is 2. 9 minus 8, it is 1. Okay, take one more, 0. Now 22 5 is 110, right? So as we got 2 digits, so it's enough. So I1 is equal to, I got 0.45 ampere, right? Now for 60 watt bulb we have to calculate the power. P is equal to V into I. Therefore I is equal to P divided by, that is V. You can take P2, you can take I2 here in order to understand. Therefore I2 is equal to, P2 is how much? It is 60 watt. V is how much? It is 220 volt. 0 0 both are get cancels together. Now divide 6 divided by 22. So here 6 divided by 22. take one 0. So it is 22 2s are 44. Right. Now subtract this one. 10 minus 4, it is 6. 5 minus 4, it is 1. Take one more 0. Now 22, how much? The 160. 22 7s are, it is 154. Right. So as we got 2 digits, so we can put the answer, that is I2 is equal to 0.27 ampere. Fine. Now we look at in the question, they have given that connected, these two lamps are connected in parallel. These two lamps are connected in parallel. We know that in any circuit, if any electrical appliance is connected in parallel, the current flowing in each appliance is different. That is, here we got the current flowing through the 100 watt bulb is, that is lamp is 0.45, and which is having 60 watt power, that is 0.27 ampere. So in order to get the total current, I need to be add these two current, then we can get the total current flowing in the circuit. Therefore, so as the lamps are connected in parallel, so the total current is I1 plus I2 is equal to I. Right. I stands for the total current here. Now I1 is 0.45 plus I2 is 0.27 is equal to I. Now add these two numbers, 0.45, 0.27. Add these two numbers. So 5 plus 7, it is 12. Carry 1. So 6, it is 7.0 as it is. So this is equal to, I is equal to 0.72 ampere. So the current flowing in the circuit, that is 0.72 ampere. So hence here we have solved the problem. The next problem is, in a house 260 watt electric bulbs are lighted for 4 hours and 300 watt bulbs for 5 hours every day. Calculate the electric energy consumed in 30 days. So here we have a question that, let's write the given data. So in a house 260 watt electric bulbs, so power of 2 electric bulbs. So here I will write the number of electric bulbs. How many? 2. So 260 watt bulbs are lighted for 4 hours. Time is 4 hours. Okay. Next, we have 300 watt bulbs for 5 hours. So let us write this side. 100 watt bulbs. So number of bulbs equal to how many? 3. Right? And the time is 5 hours. 5 hours. Right. Calculate the electric energy consumed in 30 days. we have to calculate the electrical energy consumed in 30 days. That is the number of days equal to 30. Here also we have to calculate the electrical energy consumed, and the number of days are 30. Number of days equal to 30 days. Okay. Now look at here. We know the formula, that is E equal to P into T, right? Now always the energy consumed, it is always calculated in kilowatt hour, but here they have given the power value is in watt. So let's convert this one 60 watt into kilowatt. This is equal to 60 divided by 1000, right? So in order to remove the denominator 3 zeros, I have to put the point in the numerator after 3 digits. So 1, 2 after 3 digits. It means it's 0.060 kilowatt, right? And time it is in hour, so no need to be converted. This is equal to power is 0.06 kilowatt into time is, that is time is 4 hours, right? This is equal to, now multiply these two numbers. Now 6 4s are, it is 24. Now 0. It is 24 kilowatt hour. Zero 0.24 kilowatt hour, right? Now this is for 1 day. This is for 1 day. This is for 1 day. Now we have to convert, we have to calculate for 30 days. We have to calculate for 30 days. And similarly, you look at here, the number of bulb they have given 2. The number of bulb they have given 2. Here I have calculated for only for the one bulb. So here, as we are having the number of bulb 2, so multiply with the number 2, right? So here I need to be multiply with the number 2 because the total number of electric bulbs are 2. This is equal to, now 2 into 4 it is 8, 2 into 2 it is 4, this point as it is. So kilowatt hour. So this is for 1 day. This is for 1 day. Now we have to calculate the energy consumed by these two bulbs for 30 days. So for 30 days, for 30 days, the electrical energy is equal to 0.48 into 30, right? Now multiply these two numbers. Let I multiply this side. 0.48 into 30. 0 0 0 8 3 the, it's 24, carry 2, 3 4s are, it's 12, plus 2 it is 14, carry 1, 3 zeros are 0, this 1 as it is, 0 4 4 1. After how many digits we have the point? After 2 digits. So 14.40. This is equal to 14.40 kilowatt hour. So the energy consumption for the 60 watt 2 bulbs is 14.4 0 kilowatt hour. Similarly, now we have to calculate for the 100 watt bulbs. Okay, now E is equal to P into T. So here also the value of the power they have given in watt, convert into kilowatt. This is equal to 100 divided by 1000. So in order to remove these zeros in the denominator, I need to give the point in the numerator after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. So this is equal to 0.1 kilowatt, right? And the time they have given in hours, so no need to be convert. So this is equal to power is 0.1 kilowatt into time. Time is how much? That is time is 5. This is equal to 0.5 kilowatt hour. 0.5 kilowatt hour. This is for the one bulb. So one bulb 100 watt. Number of bulbs we have 3. Number of bulbs we have 3. So for 3 bulbs, that is E is equal to 0.5 into 3. Okay. Now E is equal to 0.5 into 3. It is 1.5 kilowatt hour. So here this is for the electrical energy consumed for 3 bulbs, right? 3 bulbs for 1 day. We have to calculate for 30 days, right? So for 30 days, the electrical energy consumed is equal to, here it is 1.5 into 30, right? Now multiply these two numbers. This is equal to 15 3s are, it is 45. This 0 as it is. So after one digit I have to give the point. So here 45 kilowatt hour, right? Okay, now these are the electrical consumption for 60 watt bulbs and 100 watt bulbs. Here they have asked that calculate the electrical energy consumed in 30 days. It means total electrical energy consumed we have to calculate. So in order to calculate the total electrical energy consumed, I need to be add these two numbers. The total electrical energy consumed equal to, it is 14.40 plus 45.0 kilowatt hour. Now add these two numbers, 14.40 and it is 45.0. Add. So here we got 59.40 kilowatt hour. So the electrical consumption by these two bulbs, one is having 60 watt bulb having number of bulbs 2, and 100 watt bulbs having, that is number of bulb 3, is the electrical energy consumed is 59.40 kilowatt hour. So hence here we have solved the problem.